Hi everyone, welcome to the channel Learn Python. In this video, we discuss about Introduction to the Basics of Computers. So what do you mean by computer? Computer is an electronic device which manipulates the data according to the list of instructions. A computer is used as a data processor which converts data into information. So let's discuss what do we mean by data and information. The main difference between data and information. In terms of computers, data means raw facts and figures. Raw facts and figures. Here, data. Examples for data like 2, 8, 100, these are the numbers, and less than, greater than, equal to, these are the symbols. So these are data, and in this case of information, the meaningful data, that is known as information. For example, 2 plus 8, which is equal to 10. This is meaningful data. So after processing, data becomes information. This is the main difference between data and information. Next, we can learn what do we mean by computer, and then what are the types of computers. Computer means it's an electronic device processing data with instructions. And the key functions are input, processing, output, then storage. And the examples of computer, palm top, that is very small computer system, then desktop, laptop, tablet, and smartphones. Based on the configuration, computers are divided into 4 categories based on the configurations. Yes. Here, the first one is microcomputers. Microcomputers. Then mini computers. Mini computers. Then the third one is mainframe computer. Mainframe computers. And the fourth one is supercomputer. So these are the main categorized types of computer system that is based on the configuration. Okay. And next, we will discuss what are the basics of computer system. First one is input. What do you mean by input devices? It is the process of entering data and instructions into the computer system. So what are the devices which we used for this purpose? Input devices. What are the input devices? Input devices, what are the input devices? Keyboard, then mouse, right? Keyboard, mouse, then scanner. These are the examples of input devices. And next one is processing. Processing means CPU executes software instructions, performing arithmetic operations or logical operations on data to convert them into useful information. So this is processing. The main device of this processing is CPU. CPU means Central Processing Unit. And the next one is output. Output devices. Actually, output means the process of producing useful information or results for the user, such as printed reports or visual display. So, can you give examples for output devices? Yes, printer. And first of all, monitor, right? Monitor, then plotter and speaker. These are some examples for this output devices. And finally, storage devices, otherwise memory devices. Data saved for later use. That's why we are using storage devices. So again, storage devices are categorized into two: primary memory and secondary memory. That we will discuss later. So these are the basics of computer system. I hope you understand this topic. See you in the next video with a different topic. Bye-bye.